Welcome to another episode of Bell Bites. So I'm here today at Puerto Marina here in Lingayen, Pangasinan. Originally, I was planning to go to Bolinao. But the thing is, from Cabanatuan, Bolinao is approximately 5 hours travel. So medyo malayo. Ngayon, I looked and searched for a place in between, yung medyo malapit sa Cabanatuan. So Lingayen is pretty close to Cabanatuan. Siguro mga 3 hours drive to Cabanatuan. Hindi kami dumaan ng T-Plex. Ang dinaanan namin is Bayan-Bayan. So Cabanatuan, Gimba, to Gimba, tapos Herona, Tarlac, Paniki, Tarlac. Hello, kami manok. Yon, tapos Paniki, tapos yun na, mga Tarem, etc. Yun. Meron several checkpoints na kailangan mandaanan. Pero, they're just asking where you're going to go, and then, syempre, ayan, nakakadalawa na yung manok. And then, you just have to, tell kung saan ka pupunta, and also, pakita mo yung mga papers mo. So, that's it. Still, it's a modified general community quarantine here in Pangasinan, and the requirements in getting inside Pangasinan is your travel pass and medical certificate, and of course, you have to fill up their health declaration forms dito sa El Puerto Marina. So, it's very simple and very easy. So, ngayon, konti lang ang guests because as you know, hindi kami weekend pumunta. I just want to experience the sun and I want to feel the beach. Although, ang local government ng Lingayen do not permit tourists or guests or kahit yung mga locals to swim sa beach as of now. Pero, the good news is you can still take pictures and you can still, lakad-lakad sa sand. Of course, the essential in going to the beach, don't forget your sunblock and your shades, and syempre, ang bonggang hat. So, I'm ready to go to the beach. Come on! So, if you're wondering kung ano ang pwedeng gawin dito sa El Puerto Marina Resort, meron silang several pools. Merong kiddie pool, and then meron dun sa tapat ng beach, merong infinity pool as well. Here in El Puerto Marina, they also have aquatic park where your kids and you yourself can go inside. Meron silang pinoprovide na tickets, included yon sa inyong room na i-avail. And also, it comes with free breakfast. So, syempre, depende rin yan sa room na kukunin ninyo. Yung mga rooms dito, they have parang cabanas right in front of the beach. They also have several rooms good for 2 and good for family. Meron din sila. So, this is the perfect spot if you want to go to Pangasinan. It's pretty close to Tarlac and maganda rin yung beach nila. So, I'm here at the back of our hotel room. So, meron silang back door where you can place your wet clothes. And meron silang mini tambayan doon, table and chairs, where you can eat your merienda or snacks. And there are several rooms also on the other side. I think malalaking rooms to na pwede ninyong i-rent kung mga groups kayo na pupunta dito. So, from our room, it's approximately 2-minute walk going to the beach. Meron namang pathway, kaya safe na safe ang pagpunta ng beach. So, I'm here sa beach area ng El Puerto Marina. So, as you can see, we're right in front of the resort. So, ayan, medyo nagtatangkasaw tayo sa beach. Ang lamig ng tubig, ang sarap. Kaso, bawal mag-swimming. So, pwede lang tayo ay magtampisaw-tampisaw. Alam mo, yung maganda dito is yung sand. It's very fine. Tapos, yung alon, hindi siya ganun na super alon. Tapos, hindi rin siya yung biglang lalim. Yung dagat niya. So, maganda actually mag-swimming dito. Isa sa mga magandang beach. Perfect for family getaways kung gusto niyo kasi isang buong kabana yan na merong sariling room tsaka CR na pwede pang maramihan. So I'm here in front of the Infinity Pool, one of the pools here in El Puerto Marina. I'm gonna take a dip. We're inside the Aquatica water park and look, as you can see, merong mga slides and merong mga ano ba to? Huts, nipa huts na pwede nyo sigurong i-rent tong mga to once na you're here. And the good news is if you're checked in dito sa El Puerto Marina, this water park is included in the room package. Thank you everyone for joining me here in El Puerto Marina in Lingayen, Pangasinan. If you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe. Bell bites! Thank you mga kabites!